Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. What we've been working on today is a Range Rover Vogue, and it's the long wheelbase edition. What we've upgraded this vehicle with is the brand new, bear in mind the date of this video, which is the BlackVue DR900S 2-channel with the extended battery. So this car is now protected while driving along the road as well as while it's parked. What we're going to be doing is show you a little bit where products are placed, what you're going to be seeing if you own one of these vehicles and you have a professional installation carried out by ourselves. All our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge. If you are further afield, we've got a whole website designated, webpage designated to that, so you can see local things to do as well as our courtesy car options that we offer as well. So for more details on this system, or if you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in touch with our team. We're happy to go through pricing and also go through exactly what's involved in this installation, as well as get you arranged for the actual install date as well. So we're going to tip round to the rear of the vehicle to start with, then we're going to go inside the vehicle and show you exactly what you're going to get if you're looking into this system. We're now at the rear of this vehicle. So this is a Range Rover Vogue and it's the long wheelbase edition. So it's a brand new vehicle. So what we're going to be doing now is showing you where we've located the rear camera, as well as where we've located the additional battery backup system. So the way the batteries work, we always advise this if you're looking into a dash camera with parking mode. Basically, when you're driving along, it will charge up the battery. When you park up the dash camera, rather than drawing off your factory battery, it will then draw off this additional battery. So this is the B124 battery that we've gone for, as well as the 4K BlackVue DR900S dash cam. So all the boxes get returned to the customer so they can do all their registration and set up their cloud information, which we show them how to do. What we've got at the top here is the rear dash camera. So basically this has been put to one side due to the way the factory spoiler is on this particular vehicle. The rear dash camera is a full HD. It's really neat and it looks really nice on that flush onto that Alcantara headlining as well. So you see a very little bit of cable coming out of this. This is normally we go onto the windscreen, the rear window, but because this trim here is actually bonded to the glass, you can't get a cable through. So what we do, we mount it there on Range Rovers, or some like on the Velar. There's a little pocket here which we can come out of, so then we can go onto the glass. But if you're interested in a system like this, we can go through exactly where product's going to be placed on your particular vehicle. In terms of the location of battery, a lot of people are worried about where that's going to be located because of the size of the unit. On this particular Range Rover model, the unit is actually placed right down here, so completely out of view. All the trim's gone exactly back to how we found it, so you can't tell at all that we've been there. If we didn't tell the customer where it was located, they would never find it. So it's completely bolted in, so it's secured in with the additional trim panel, as well as mounted to the base of the actual vehicle. So behind this panel is all your fuse box and everything like that, so it's all down neatly, all in one space. So we're now in the front of the vehicle. So we're actually viewing now from the passenger side. So this is what you're going to be viewing if you were sitting in the passenger seat. As soon as you come round to the driver's view, you can't see the camera at all. It gets completely hidden behind that factory mirror, and also there's no visible cables whatsoever. So it's really, really discreet. All the trim panel's gone to exactly where we found it. There's nothing visible whatsoever. There's no little bit of cable running anywhere. It's all discreet as possible. It looks like it came out of the factory. So even the little bit of visible cable that there is, if from the passenger's view, we've cloth taped that. So it's all really as neat as it possibly can. So all our installs get done to the highest possible installation standards. So what this has also had is the battery system. So what we're going to be doing, you can't see that at all, but we're going to show you where that's located in a second as well. So the dash camera comes with an application where you can view all your footage straight from an app, as well as you can register the unit, set up a cloud database and view all your footage straight over the cloud. So this is the brand new Range Rover that we've been working on. So if you own one of these vehicles looking for a dash camera solution, this is our go-to at the moment. So we do some other systems as well if you're interested in those, but feel free to get in touch and we can go through all the options for you. So this is one of the top 4K image quality cameras that you can buy on the market at the moment. It also does speed camera detection, and the app is really easy to use and it guides you through exactly how to save footage as well as view all your footage and save them and send them off to your insurance company if you need to. Just to recap, basically what we've installed into this particular vehicle is the brand new BlackVue DR900S with the 4K image quality from the front camera, full HD from the rear, as well as the extended battery. We're just about to hand over this vehicle to the customer, who's I'm sure will be over the moon with the installation as well as the products that we've added into this particular vehicle. So we'd just like to thank you for watching this short video. We hope you found it useful and we look forward to upgrading your Range Rover soon. Thank you.